students, in this video we will discuss two topics, the directory rule and revolution of women in France. So firstly, directory rule. So let's recall about Jacobian. Jacobian was the most popular club of that time, but under the Jacobians French citizens suffered a lot. So at last they overthrew the government of Jacobians, and later a directory rule started in France. So, from amongst the members of Jacobian, wealthier middle class, um, they framed the new constitution of France, according to which there will be two elected legislative councils, and these legislative councils will appoint a directory made up of 5 members. But these directors were often in clash with legislative councils, which brought political instability. And this political instability resulted in the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay. Then revolution of women. So before we talk about revolution, let's understand the condition of women during that time. So in third estate, most women worked for a living. Most women did not have access to education or job training. Only daughters of nobles and rich members of third estate could study at convent. Then their families arranged marriages for them. Their wages were lower than those of men. So in short, we can say that there was a lot of discrimination and you can say sufferings for women. They did not have access to education and job training. Now beginning of revolt. So at that time about 60 women political clubs set up in France, and the most famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. And the main demand of this political club was same political rights as given to men. Some of these rights were right to vote, right to be elected to the assembly, right to hold political office. These demanded were continuously rejected, but then some laws were introduced to pacify these women. These laws were firstly compulsory schooling for girls, second marriage according to their will, third divorce became legal now and could be applied by both men and women, and at last more job opportunities. These laws improved the lives of women. Still they were struggling for getting equal political rights as given to men. During the Reign of Terror, there was a closure of women's club and ban on their political activities. So the struggle to get equal political rights continued for a long time, and at last in 1946 women of France won right to vote. Here's the end. Thank you.